Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Like Mamta. Today I am making potato bhaji and onion pakoda. Since it is monsoon, everybody would like to have bhajis and pakodas. So today I am showing these two. So let us start with the potato bhaji. This is a besan flour. Then I am adding little rice flour to this, and this gives the crispiness to the bhajis. Turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander leaves, salt to taste, jeera, I am adding curd here. Curd gives a little tanginess to the bhajis. We have to mix it properly so that there should not be lumps in this. And the consistency should be like not very flowy. So if we dip the potato slices in this, it should stick to that potato slices. See, you can see how I am mixing and see the consistency also. Yeah, I cut the very thin slices here. If you are frying potatoes immediately, need not dip into the water. If making it later on, you have to dip into the water and you have to drain the water properly before doing the bhajis. Otherwise it will become very watery. See how I am dipping and putting into the hot oil. And once you the oil should be hot, but you have to make it in the medium flame. Otherwise the inside potato will not cook. Only it will become darker outside and the potatoes will not cook inside. Flip it now. Yeah, see the color of the bhajis here. So our bhajis are ready. Now I am making onion pakoda. Pakoda, I have cut the onions into long pieces and we have to separate them properly. Now let us add masalas to this. Coriander leaves, turmeric powder, chili powder, spice level according to your taste, salt to the taste, this is jeera and dhania powder, and mix it properly. Just squeeze it so that the masala will enter into the onion, so it gives a very good taste later on once you fry this one. And we keep it aside for 10-15 minutes so that it leaves some water. Yeah, it became soft. Now we have to add besan to this, and we need not add water here. Only that water which that salt has left, no, that is enough. Yeah, it should look like this. Put them into the hot oil. You can see the change in the color, so that time, and feel the crispiness also. Should remove this. Yeah, our onion pakodas are ready. And potato bhajis are also ready. These taste amazing with tea or coffee And this is the very good evening snacks, especially in rainy season. Should serve with hot tea or coffee. Yeah, our onion pakoda and bhajis are ready. I hope you all like this recipe and you will try it. If you want to cook like Mamta, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.